Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. I received a question. Someone asked how to download and install full driver for Canon PIXMA G3590 printer. You can use Google, you can use Bing, you can use any search program you want to use. So we're going to use Google Chrome. So open your Google Chrome, then you need to type Canon support. Select on it, customer product support. Once you select on it, then scroll down. It will ask you to select your product. The printer we want to download the driver is Canon PIXMA. Select on Canon PIXMA. Then scroll down and select the model, the series. So this printer is G series. Select on G series. And the number is 3590. So you look for G series 3590 from the list. G series 3590. Select on it. Once you select on it, it will show you the printer. Select drivers, operating system. So it picked up operating system of my laptop. My laptop is Windows 11. You can scroll down and select specific operating system of your laptop or PC or computer you are using. So my laptop is Windows, which it picked up automatically. Then scroll down. Then it will show you individual driver we need. Then scroll down and select download. Select download. Then if you look on your PC, so the product is downloaded, it will show you done. Double click it to open, or you go to File Explorer. You select File Explorer, then select download, and it will show you the download. This is the download. Double click it to open. Then it will ask you Canon IGS software. Select yes. Welcome to driver installer. Then select next. Then you select your region. I'm United Kingdom, Europe. Select next. Licensing agreement. Select yes. Then it will search for the product. So it will show you dictate printer. Searching for your printer. So if the printer is on the network, the printer will show. You can search by IP address or printer not found or search again. So if the printer is dictated, then you need to select on the printer and proceed. Thank you very much indeed.